Hi guys, a very warm welcome and a splendid good morning to my dear kids. So hope you guys are fine and wow. So my belated New Year wishes to my dear kids. So I know it's too late. So may God bless you all with and lots of love, happiness and prosperous in your life ahead. So guys, please concentrate on your studies. Okay, so be safe. Okay guys, shall we start our session? Yes, so we're gonna continue with our semester 1 book. Okay guys, today we are gonna continue with where we stopped at last. So December. Before December we seen up to lesson 5. Am right? We discussed lesson 5 up to divisibility rule of 3. I'm right, guys? I remember this, ma? So we seen up to this divisibility rule for 3 and 9. I'm right? So today we gonna continue with this. So today we are gonna discuss with divisibility rule for 6. Before that, once we can go through our last divisibility rules. Okay, what we already we discussed some of the divisibility rule. So here today we gonna revise that. Okay, revise all the divisibility rules. Okay guys, shall we go? Yes, very good. So before that, get ready with your books, your textbook, keep a pencil, your max classwork. Okay, and get ready. Okay, shall we go? Yes. So, divisibility rule for 2, 5 and 10. So, what is the divisibility rule for 2? So, if the number is divisible by 2, the last digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Again come for 5. If the number is divisible by 5, the last digit should be 0 or 5. If the number is divisible by 10, the last digit should be 0. Okay, so 2, 5 and 10. Please guys, please go through this. Very important. Okay, next divisibility rule for 8. A number is divisible by 8, the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, or if the last 3 digits are 0. Last 3 digits are 0. Okay guys, so come to divisibility rule for 3 and 9. A number is divisible by 3, the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. This is the two conditions. Okay. Now let me see. Let us discuss about our divisibility rule for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if all the number is divisible by 2 and 3, or in other words we can say all even numbers divisible by 3 are divisible by 6. All even numbers. Okay. So a number is divisible by 6. What's the condition? If that particular number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So that's why again I am discussed divisibility rule for 2 and 3. Okay. What is the divisibility rule for 3? If the number is divisible by 2, what is the condition? The last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. What is the divisibility rule for 3? A number is divisible by 3. A sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Okay. So again come to 6. A number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. So today we're gonna see divisibility rule for 6. For divisibility rule for 3 and 9 explanation, guys, please go through our last videos. Okay. So let me see divisibility rule for 6. Okay. So we are moving the very first example. Check if 342 is divisible by 6. So number is 342 is divisible by 6 or not. Okay guys. So guys, already we seen the condition. I am right. If a number is divisible by 6, what is the condition? The particular number should be divisible by 2 and 3. 3. And right, this particular number should be divisible by 2. What is the condition for 2? If the number is divisible by 2, the last digit should be, what are they? Already we discussed, I'm right. Last digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. The last digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. What's the condition for 3 ma? Sum of the digit. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. And right, so please guys remember these two things. Okay, here what's the last number? Last digit is 2, so it is satisfied the divisibility rule for 2. Let's move on to divisibility rule for 3. Sum of the digit you want to check. So shall we check ma? Yes, get ready, take your workout note. Please, when I am doing the sum, please do along with me guys. Please guys, take your workout note. So write 3, 4, 2. We are going to find the sum of this number. So how to find sum? 3 plus 4 plus 2. What's the answer? What is 3 plus 4? What's the answer for 3 plus 4, my dear kids? Yes, it's 7. 7 plus 2 is 7 plus 2. That's equal to 9. So whether the 9 is divisible by 3? Yes, in 3 table, 3 3s we know. 3 3s are 9. And right? Already we discussed. So if you have doubt, please go through that previous video. So okay, my dear guys. So it's 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So the given number 342 is divisible by 6. Okay, how we can tell? It satisfied both the two numbers. If a number is divisible by 6, the number should be divisible by, see the condition is divisible. If the number is divisible by 6, the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, or either we can check this like this also. All even numbers are divisible by 3 and 6. Okay, let's move on to our next example. Check if 809 is divisible by 6. So here first of all we can tell, here the number is 809. The last digit is 9. So what? So we know if the number is divisible by 6, the number should be divisible by 2 and 3. And right? So if the number is divisible by 2, the last digit should be, what are they ma? Already we seen yesterday, isn't it? So last digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. But here the last digit is 9. So divisibility rule 2 is not satisfied. Okay. Next. So if 2 is not satisfied, we can tell, isn't it? So it is not divisible by 6. So 809 is not divisible by 6. If 1 is not satisfied, we know it is not possible. Okay, so don't do for another. Okay, next example, 600. Check whether 600 is divisible by 6. How to check? So we know first we want to satisfy the condition of 2. So for 2, what is the condition? The last digit should be 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Here the last digit is 0. So condition 2 is satisfied. Let me check on divisibility rule for 3. For divisibility rule for 3, what do you want to do? Just add the sum of the digits. That's equal to 6 plus 0 plus 0. What is the answer? 6. So we know 6 is exactly divisible by 3. Why? Because 2 into 3 gives you 6. So we can tell 600 is exactly divisible by 6. Okay, 600 is exactly divisible or divisible by 600 is exactly divisible by 6. Okay guys, are you clear? Okay guys, let's move on to our exercise 5.1. Okay, so here circle the numbers according to the divisibility. So let us do together. Okay guys, take your textbook, page number 84, exercise 5.1. Okay, Let us see the very first question. Circle the number that are divisible by 2. What is the condition for 2? If the number is divisible by 2, the last digit should be, what are they? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Okay. You know guys, this thing already, isn't it? Here let us check the last digits. Okay. Here 7. So it is not possible. So 4, it is possible, and so I'm right. So if it is possible, please circle it. This is the answer. This is one of the answer. 5, whether it is possible? No. Here 6, yes, 6 is there. So circle the 6. 8 is possible. Circle. So here is very simple. Okay, the last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. We can tell it is divisible by 2. Okay, guys. Move on to the second question. Circle the number that are divisible by 5. What is the condition for 5? The last digit, if a number is divisible by 5, the last digit is 0 or 5. Okay. The number is divisible by 10, the last digit is 0. Okay. So, move on to 5. The last digit should be, what are they? 5 or 10. Sorry, 5 or 0. Okay. So, here 0 is last digit is 0, so possible, the number is divisible. And right here 1, so it is not possible. Here last digit is 5, so circle it. Last digit is 2, it's not possible. Last digit is 0, it is possible. Okay guys, are you clear? Yes. Here next, circle the number that are divisible by 10. 10 means the last digit is 0. Okay, here 0, last digit is 0. So please circle it. Here last digit is 5, it's not possible. Last digit is 0, so circle it. Here last digit is 0, circle it. Here last digit is not 0, so leave it. Okay. Next, move on to circle the fourth question. Circle the number that are divisible by 3. We know what is the condition divisibility rule for 3. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So here come 1 plus 9 plus 8. So you should do the calculation like this. 1 plus 9 plus 8. So that's equal to 18. So whether you should check 18 is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. So you know in 3 table 18 is there. Yes, you should recall the table. Okay. The 6 3s are 18. I'm right. So it is possible. Just circle it. Okay. Okay, come to next number 4122. Let us add this number. Guys, please do along with me. 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So circle it. So next number 3 plus, please do sum of the digit very fast. Okay. 3 plus 9 plus 8. 3 plus 9 what ma? It's 12. 12 plus 8 20. So it is not possible. Next number 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2. Okay. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 2 12. So 12 is possible. 12 is divisible by 3. So circle it. Okay. Next number, move on to next number 4 plus 7 plus 0. So what is 4 plus 7? 7 plus 4 gives you 11. So 11 is not possible. So we can't do. Okay guys. So next we gonna see circle the number that are divisible by 4. What's the condition for 4? A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4 or if the last two digits are 0. Okay. So move on to this problem. So last two digits are divisible by 4. Okay. So now let us check the last two digits of this number 0 4. So it is divisible by 4. I am right. So circle it. So last digit number here is 16. So 16 is exactly divisible by 4 because 4 4s are 16. So okay. And one more condition also there, isn't it? The last two digits are 0. So here last two digits is 0. So it is exactly divisible by 4. So we can't take this 2 because last digit is 25. Here is 78. Okay. Next, come to the next circle, the number that are divisible by 9. 9 also the same thing. You should add the digits. You should find the sum of digits. Okay, let's check the very first one. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2. It's 11. So it is not possible. Leave it. So leave it. Next number 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 7, it is 18. 18 is exactly divisible by 9. So 18 is the answer. Next number 3410. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So it is not possible. Again 46,501. So 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 is not divisible by 9. Next number 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. So 27 is exactly divisible by 9. So it is correct. So 2 answers, this and this. Okay. So let us see divisibility rule for 6. Now just before we see 9, right? Divisibility rule for 6. So the number should be exactly divisible by. So this only a just homework for you, because already we discussed those things. So please guys do this one along. Okay, because now only we seen, that's why. Okay, just a single homework, one line homework. Please guys, please do it. Okay, just only one homework in between. Okay, why? Because just now we seen, that's why. Okay, come to circle the 8th question, circle the number. So this only, please guys, homework do by yourself. Okay, just only one homework. Okay guys, so circle the numbers that are divisible by 8. So what is the rule for 8, ma? So a number is divisible by 8 if the last digits are divisible by 8 or the last 3 digits are 0. So here in this question, let me check first where last 3 digits. So here the last 3 digits are 0. So circle it. And what is the next condition, ma? Last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So here the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So here 600 is there, last 3 digit. Okay, so 600 is exactly, you should check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. So 600 is exactly divisible by 8. So this is the answer. So here 21, we can, by seeing itself, we can tell it's not divisible. Again 19 also not possible. Here 24 is there. 8 3s are 24. So possibility is there. So it's exactly divisible by 8. So I'm giving just only one for you. Please finish it. Okay guys. So thank you. Please finish it. And next class we are moving to factors. We can see this thing on next class. Okay, take care guys. Bye bye.